Hi, hello, welcome family. Like and subscribe, link in description. Superior cleaning performance. The electric toothbrush has revolutionized my oral hygiene routine. Its advanced technology delivers superior cleaning performance compared to manual brushing. With its oscillating bristles and powerful motor, it effectively removes plaque and stains, leaving my teeth feeling incredibly clean and polished after each use. Effortless operation. One of the standout features of this product is its effortless operation. With just the press of a button, the electric toothbrush springs to life, buzzing with efficiency. Gone are the days of vigorous scrubbing and wrist fatigue. Now, I simply guide the brush along my teeth and let its automated motions do the work. It's a hassle-free experience that makes dental care a breeze. Customizable settings. What sets this electric toothbrush apart from others on the market is its customizable settings. Whether I prefer a gentle clean or a more intense scrub, I can easily adjust the brushing intensity to suit my needs. Additionally, the built-in timer ensures that I brush for the recommended 2 minutes, evenly dividing the time between each quadrant of my mouth for thorough cleaning. Sleek design. Not only does the electric toothbrush excel in performance, but it also boasts a sleek and modern design. Its ergonomic handle fits comfortably in my hand, providing a secure grip during use. The stylish aesthetic adds a touch of sophistication to my bathroom countertop, elevating the overall look of my oral care essentials. Long-lasting battery life. I'm impressed by the impressive battery life of this electric toothbrush. A single charge lasts for weeks, eliminating the need for frequent recharging and ensuring uninterrupted use. This reliability is particularly convenient for travel, allowing me to maintain my oral hygiene routine without worrying about finding power outlets. Link in description. Quiet operation. Unlike traditional electric toothbrushes that emit loud and disruptive noises, this product operates with a whisper-quiet hum. Its noiseless performance allows me to brush without disturbing others, whether I'm getting ready in the morning or winding down for bed at night. It's a subtle yet appreciated feature that enhances the overall user experience. Advanced cleaning technology. Powered by advanced cleaning technology, the electric toothbrush delivers professional-grade results from the comfort of my own home. Its oscillating rotating action effectively breaks up and sweeps away plaque, leaving my teeth noticeably cleaner and brighter with each use. I feel confident knowing that I'm giving my oral health the attention it deserves. Clinically proven results. Backed by clinical studies and dentist recommendations, this electric toothbrush has earned its reputation for delivering exceptional results. Its effectiveness in reducing plaque and improving gum health has been scientifically validated, giving me peace of mind knowing that I'm investing in a product that prioritizes my dental well-being. Conclusion. In conclusion, the electric toothbrush surpasses expectations in every aspect, from its superior cleaning performance to its sleek design and advanced features. Its effortless operation, customizable settings, and long-lasting battery life make it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their oral hygiene routine. With this innovative product by my side, I can confidently smile knowing that my teeth are receiving the care they deserve. Link in description. Like and subscribe. Thanks for your watching.